A second. Let's start understanding about strings. Strings in Python are represented in single quotes, double quotes, and in triple quotes. Single quotes, double quotes, and in triple quotes. Strings in Python are iteratable. Means by default all the values can be retrieved. All the values can be retrieved using a loop. Okay, using a loop. So there are different string methods exist to manipulate the data. There are different string methods exist to manipulate the data. Okay, so let's see what are those string methods and how to manipulate the data. Say suppose I have data is equal to India. Now using your for loop, we can able to iterate the string to get character by character. How can you iterate? For character in data. So now what will happen? It will go and fetch each and every character from the given source string. What are the character that is available in the given string? It will go and fetch each and every character. For character in data, print of character. So now see here, each and every character in the given string will be fetch. Each and every character that is available can be fetch. Got it clear?
Yes, brother.
Okay. Any questions? No, right? Azim, shall we move on?
Yeah, Papa.
Next one is going to be called as capitalize. I have a string called as check for something. I have a string called as check for something. Now, if I use this method called as capitalize, so whatever the first character that is available, it is given entire string, the first character, right? It will get into capitalize, and rest of the thing will be remain as the same. Convert the first character to uppercase. Convert the first character to the uppercase. There is next method called as caseful. Now see what will happen is, so wherever there is a capital, that will become smaller, smaller become capital. Okay. So though there is a capital, everything is available, the entire thing will be converted into a lowercase. Okay. So though there is a capital that is available, the capital will becomes to smaller case. So capitalize and caseful, don't get confused. Capitalize will convert only the first character. Caseful, everything will be converted into lowercase. Now, center right will give the character between. Wait. Now, if you see here, before India and after India, I have given 10. So 10 spaces will be split into two halves, and the word India will place in between. So 10 spaces, it means that left side 5 spaces will be given, right side 5 spaces will be given. In between, India will be get placed. Okay. If not spaces, you can place your at the rate. Mostly will be using spaces only. Right. So next one, see, like this center we won't use much. We won't get a use case also, but still there is a method that we have to understand. Next one is going to be called as count. Guys, are you following me?
Yes, Pratap.
Yes, Pratap.
I have a string called as welcome to Python training. I have a string called as welcome to Python training. Okay. Now I want to count how many times the character O is getting repeated. Data dot count of O. Now it will give you how many times the character O is getting repeated. It is repeating 3 times. Can you see? 1, 2, and 3. And if you want to check any character count occurrences, you can use like this. See? 1 and 2.
Without assigning characters, we can't count the
No,
interest.
no, no.
To
The method is itself, it is expecting a character.
okay. So how we can calculate the interesting count?
Sorry?
How many, I mean, how we can check how many characters are there in that string?
You have to use length, right? Total
Yeah.
length is equal to total characters, right? Got it? Clear?
Yeah.
So
And here we
forget
can one more question.
Mm.
Here we have to use only one character, or we can assign multiple
Only one.
characters.
Only one. I want to get the total length of a string. I want to get the total length of a string. You have to use a method called as length of your string. LN of your string. So total length of a string is 6 here. Can you see? Can you check here? Clear?
Yeah, it's clear.
I have one more thing called as title. Now see what it will do here is capitalize is going to only make first letter to capitalize. Okay, title is the one which is going to make, if there are multiple words available, each word starting character will be get capitalized. Got it? Difference between capitalize and title. Everyone?
Yes.
Questions? All right.
Yes, Pratap.
So what it will do is it will convert everything into uppercase. Dot upper is nothing but it will convert everything into uppercase. Okay, now what I'm going to do here is whatever the output I'm going to place into output, and then I'm going to print this output dot lower. Lower means nothing but it will convert everything into lowercase. So here it converted into uppercase and here it converted to lowercase. Make sense? Clear?
Then
Yes, Pratap.
lower and caseful are same, కదా?
Sorry? No. Case fold will only convert only the starting letter of the string into capital.
Mhm.
See it properly. Only starting letter. Rest of the thing will be converted
Case fold.
into. Whereas case fold is only converted to lower case. Yes. Case fold and lower both are same.
Okay. Hmm.
Okay. Next one is I want to check if my string is ending with the keyword called as training or not. I want to check if the given string is ending with the keyword called as training or not. How can I check is data dot ends with training. So it is ending with my keyword called as training. Now it is a case sensitive. If you give any word which is not matching with the case, then it will throw you a false. Then definitely it will throw you a false. It's clear?
Hmm. Yes.
Right. Then we have- Similarly, we have another method called as starts with. So I want to check start with as welcome. So here it is not ending with training, so that is the reason we have got it as false, because T is capital here and T is lower here. Here we are running checking with the keyword called as welcome where W is capital here. So we got the value as true as a input and we got it as true. Got it clear?
Yep.
Yes.
Next is string format. Okay. So I have person name equal to the age equal to place equal to. Okay. So now wherever there is a colon, I want to place this person name. Wherever there is a age, I have to place this age. Wherever there is a place, I have to place this place. So now see, normally what we do, we break the string here and we concatenate and age is again we'll break it here and then age is Okay, and place is plus place. Now we try to execute it. So now what happened here? If you observe here, age is a number and rest of the thing is a string. So age and string, number and string, we cannot concatenate it directly. I already told you. You remember? Number and string cannot concatenate directly easily. If you remember,
Yes.
in the starting only I told you.
Mm.
One second, someone is pinging me. So now, what I want to do, I want to convert this number into my string. So how can I convert str of data like this? Now see here, the name of the person is some value, age is some value, place is some value. Okay, so but this is not a good way of formatting a string. We should not use multiple places with multiple plus symbols like this. This is not a good practice. So I am going to remove this everything and I will show you easiest way to do this. See here, whatever that you want to replace, just put a curly braces here. Just put a curly braces here. Okay, so person is nothing but just copy this variable name, just copy this variable name and place it. Age equal to age, place equal to place. Okay, now see here, I place the entire string here, right? Now see, output equal to data dot format, data dot format, this person name is equal to whatever the variable that is there, just give it, comma, age is equal to age, comma, place is equal to place. So person name, age and place. Now print off output. Right click, run it. See, you can format your string easily like this. No matter how much complex the string is, no matter how much big the string is, using your string format, we can format your string, input string. Make sense? Clear?
Yes,
Yes, brother.
Okay. So that is about your string format. Okay. So next one, let us see the method called as find. Okay, so find, the name itself it's telling that find. So what it will do, right? If you pass any word in the given string, if that word is available, if the word is available, it will go and search for that word in the given source string. If it is available, it will give the position of that. Okay, it will give the position of that. Only the first occurrence. If there are multiple occurrences of that particular value, it will take only the first occurrence and it will return the position of that. Okay, see here, print of data dot find of hello. So hello is not available, so that it will give me the negative value. I'm going to check the keyword called as something. Now it will give me the position as 9. So 9, how it is going to be 9? The character position of S. So count from here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the first character position of this given word will be written here. See? Clear about find? If you want to search anything on a given source string, we'll use the method called as find. Okay?
Okay. In case if that word is not available, then it will throw error. Pata. How?
Well, I told you, right? It will give negative value. It will give the negative value. If there is no match is found, then it will give negative value. Okay?
Okay.
Let us see about index of. Let us see about index of. So find and index of will do the same thing, where find will give you a negative value when there is no match is found. When there is no match is found, find will give the negative value, but index will throw an exception. Now see here, print data dot index of the keyword called as in. So if in is available, it will give the index position as 5. If I have given as on is not available there. So that's the reason it will throw an exception. See here, you got an error. Substring not found exception. So be cautious. To be safer side, use find only, not index, not to get any exception. If you want to escape from the exceptions when the given source string is not available, try to use find only. Got it clear?
Yes.
Now let's see next method called as is alpha. Is alpha. What this method is going to do, right? Is alpha method returns a true if all the characters are alphabets only. If all the characters are alphabets. Now tell me if it is alphabets or it's alphanumeric. The given string is an alphabet or it's a alphanumeric.
Alphanumeric.
So now I'm going to check It is alpha or not? Is alpha. Now if I run this, see here, I am going to get a false. Okay. So let us see, or let us check with only with alphabets. I'll get it true because it is only a pure alphabet. We don't have any numerics available. Okay, data equal to with some value I have given, which is a combination of alphabets and numerics. Now I am going to check if it is alphanumeric or not. Alphanumeric is nothing but where we have alphabets and numerics. So what about special characters? When there is a special character, see, it recognized and it told you that no, this string is not a alphanumeric because as we have your special characters as well. If you want to check only alphabets, use alpha. If you want to check is alphanumeric, use your is alphanumeric. Make sense? Clear? Azim, Masha, any questions?
If it is alphabets alone also it will return true, right?
Which one? Yes, that should work. Okay. Next one. Is digit, is decimal. Both are same only. If you want to check if the given string is number or not, if you want to check anything is number or not, use this method called as is digit. Is digit or is decimal, both are going to be the same. Is digit or is decimal, both are going to be the same. Got it? Clear? Next one. To check if the given character is a space or not. To check if the given character is a space or not. Here data equal to space. I have given a empty space. Now I want to check if it is space or not. Is space. Yes, it's true. Okay. Now if you want to check if the given character is uppercase or it is a lowercase. Dot is upper. It will check if the given character is a uppercase or not. Yes, it is true. If you want to check if the given character is a lower character, lowercase. So it is not a lowercase, so that it is returning you as a false. Got it? Clear? Any questions?
No, Pratap, I'm good.
Okay. Now So accidentally I have some spaces before my search word and after my search word. So how can I remove the spaces? Now see here, I'm going to get my total length of the data here. The total length is 38. The total length is 38. Now I want to get the length of the string removing the spaces. I want to get length of the string removing the spaces. Data dot strip. Okay. Now print me the output. Now see, I'll print the length of the output here. Now see, if I execute this, I'll get the length. So before stripping the length is 38, after stripping the length is 5 because it removes the spaces in starting and beginning.
Trim also we can use, right?
No, there is no method called the trim here. You have strip.
Strip. To remove end of the spaces in end of the string.
Yes, we have L strip and R strip. I'm going to tell that. It's 24, right? Now see, data dot L strip. So L strip is nothing but we are going to remove the left hand side spaces only and we are going to keep the right hand spaces like that only. So now for this entire string I am going to get the total length. So this will give me the output as a string and that for entire string I am going to get what is the total length. See, it is 64 only. Got it? Similarly, right strip. It will remove the only right spaces and it will keep the left spaces like that only. See, it is 14. Got it?
Yeah.
Dude, it's too much to cover all the methods in one day. Getting confused?
No.
Alright? All these methods should be on your fingertips, man. Without string methods, writing good code is very difficult. Make sense? Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry? Asha?
No,
Asha?
it's clear, brother.
Right?
Ah,
So we have a string called as America, Japan and China like this. We have a string called as America, Japan and China. So I want to break this string. I want to split this string. How can I split and how can I get only the words? I want to break this entire string into words taking the reference of this semicolon. Taking the reference of this semicolon. How can I get the output for that? So what I'm going to see here is output is equal to data dot split with your semicolon. With your semicolon. Now for word in output print of word. So now what will happen here is I have broken the entire string into words, and now I am going to iterate each and every word that is available in the output. See here, got it? If you want to break the string taking anything into a reference, then we have to use your split.
Okay.
Got it? Clear? Any questions? Right. Next one, split lines. Okay, I have given some string here. Now, print of str. So what happened here, wherever there is a new line is available, it is printing. Can you see? Wherever there is a new line available, it is printing. Now I want to split this entire string wherever there is a new line that is getting started. So how can I split it? Using your method called as split lines. So split lines will break the string wherever there is a new line that is going to be available, then it will break the string there. See? Make sense? Clear? Any questions? Any questions? Clear?
Yes.
Yes, Pratap.
Next one is going to be called as swap case. So this swap case will convert capital to smaller, smaller to capital. Now see, all capitals to small, all smalls to capital. Swap case. Got it clear? Any questions? Okay, I have data equal to 70. Now I want to append 10 zeros before my 70 or 5 zeros before my 70. So what it will do? How it will going to be append? So now what we'll do here is there is a method called as jetfillman. There is a method called as jetfill. So just pass your how many zeros that you want to pass. I want to pass 10 zeros. See here, before your 70, 10 zeros will be get appended. Got it clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the methods that we use frequently in our Python programming. Okay, so now we need to understand the usage of these methods. It means that we have to do some string examples to solve the problem statement.
Mhm.
Okay, so we'll start doing examples from tomorrow.
Okay.
Then we'll see about your collection objects. Okay, clear?
Yes, Pratap.
Yes, fine then. I'll upload this video in some time. I'll share you the link. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Bye.